Welcome, this is a 100 kilowatts electric motor. Preparing the stator for burning. Fire has been set to the stator and we will now strip out the coils. This is the rotor of the motor. Here is the 100 kilowatts diagram gotten from the electric motor. The motor has 72 slots. It is a 4-pole motor with an RPM of 1455. The coils are laid 1 to 14, 1 to 16 and 1 to 18. The black pen represents the U phase, the red pen represents the V phase and the blue pen represents the W phase. This is a 4-pole motor, that is, each phase has 4 coils, which is a total of 12 coils. Each coil has its own start and finish. The 14 is the start and the 18 is the finish. The coils are labeled 1 to 12. Let's start with U phase. The start of coil number 1 is used as U1 and the finish of 1 is connected to the finish of 4. The finish of 7 and the finish of 10 are connected and the rest of the terminals are used as U1 and U2. Full diagram explanation coming up on my next video. Here we are using air from an air compressor to clean the slots. We have painted it and it's ready for installation. Putting in insulation paper and we are done with all 72 slots. This is the coils of the motor and this will be done 12, a total of 45 kg. You can see here that we have already made so much progress in putting in the coils. After all 12 coils have been successfully placed in the motors, it's time to band the back. After proper separation of each phase has been done, a yellow banding rope with about 6 to 7 lines was used in banding the coils. It's time for connection, but first we need to remove the coating of the copper by scraping it. This is an 11 attempt motor, so it's a lot of work. It took a lot of hours to finish doing all this. The connection has been done and now you can see that we are using a soda flux with 2 gas lighter, which is available in the shop for about 8,000 naira in Nigeria. Binding the coils. After proper connection has been made, insulation paper have been put in place to separate each phase. For each joining, a paper tape was used along with a thin Nomex paper of 6 mm was added to make sure that coils are properly separated and do not touch in any way, like maybe the copper might wound the body of another coil. Binding is done and completed and this motor is ready to be varnished, coupled and tested. For more grinding processes, follow my YouTube channel. Don't forget to Boma Ruth and subscribe, like and comment for what you want me to do next.